Hey, what's up, guys? Team More Life, Captain Albert Zartucci, and whoa, talk about a long day. I've made some casting rigs for the wall. I've also made leaders for an order that we actually expanded because they wanted to carry more tackle, but actually, same time, when I did the inventory last week and I went out this week, several more of the slots had sold out. So they're like, fill them up. We're like, we don't want none of your tackle ever sold out. So I had to add more gear to it. And while I'm doing that, I'm making more for my wall at the same time. I've got a few pegs that are empty. And yes, that's, I'm telling you, this is a never ending winning battle kind of deal. But it is. It's, you know, it's getting us there where we need to be able to be getting more tackle in and be able to make a lot more leaders at the same time. It's these small steps that we do take to be able to hit that escalator, and soon we'll be rocking and rolling. And I'm so happy that I'm able to share it now with my YouTube channel at the same time that it's still young in its ages. So as we continue to blow up, the shop will continue to blow up, the YouTube channel will continue to blow up, and y'all will be able to see it from what it started to what we're going to go to. And I can't wait to see the things that we get to share and pay it forward with. So stay tuned, as we got so much to offer and give, and can't wait to see y'all on Friday. It's coming. The $20 ticket deal is either sold out or we got one or two left, and which is great. So again, stay tuned. We got so much more action coming your way.
Gotta buy. I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call up the whole team.
So as I continue to build these drops, I'm gonna start bagging them or attaching the drops. I'm gonna start bagging them and tagging them, so that way I can go and get them back up onto the wall and fill up those extra gaps. Like I said, I've been steadily working on it, and as fast as I'm getting them up there, they're coming off the shelves. So what I'm trying to do is fill up the gaps. So check this out. What I'm rigging up here is the drops for the double drop drum rigs. As you can see on the yellow bucket bead at the bottom of the screen, I've already been at it for a while, and I've actually already made the main sections, already crimped the middle sleeve, and so that way I can suspend the middle hook basically. Alright guys, so got quite a bit of leaders done up. I got some of them need to be hole punched, so I got to separate those real quick, and that way I can get them hung on the wall, and that way y'all can see some of the work that I've done and did not record, but I did get it up there, and I want to show y'all what it's looking like now. You know, had a day or two of building and not posting, but still, I want to show y'all the work in progress for sure. So, alright, get to the wall real quick. Well, these are my orange ones, which go there, but I've got quite a bit of them here, so let's give them an empty ring. So I got double there, double there. I know if y'all have been watching the videos, y'all can tell when last week these were completely full for a lot of the beginning ones, and now I've got empty ones up here. So by me concentrating on one, I was able to refill two, I guess is the best way you can put it. So there we go with our double drops. I'm gonna have to concentrate on some green tomorrow, and my browns up here and the yellows right there and the purple. And I did some pinks yesterday right there. I filled these up again, and you can already see they're starting to go down. Ooh, there's more pink there. Yep, I'm gonna have to do something about it. I want to get it to where all of them are packed like this. So I got at least another day or two, and I should be able to make it more than likely 2 days of setting it up and getting it on there. So yep. And then the redfish rigs, remember, they were all full. They're starting to slowly dwindle down too. So, and yeah, our trout and flounder rigs, they got more filled up right there, which is great. Perfect timing for the season. So there we go.